Hello and welcome to this short demonstrational video on how to install our LED battery backup kit for our LED panel range. So this kit has been designed so that all the battery and inverter and driver technology is contained in a complete enclosure which has screw holes to actually attach to your beam or ceiling. The system is invented as a plug-and-play system and is one of its kind in the market. So every cable coming out of the battery backup kit has a little silver tag telling you where that wire connects to. So simply starting from the first cable, you've got your mains input. So like any maintained emergency product, you've got your permanent live, your neutral, your earth and your switched live. So remove this cover and you've got your 4 terminals. Your permanent live obviously stays on permanently, which charges the battery contained within the pack. So that's your main 240 volt connection. Next you've got your cable which connects to your driver mains input. So obviously this is the driver which comes with your LED panel. So simply remove the cable and plug and the terminal cover and install that cable straight into there. Next we have the cable which connects to the output from the driver. So this is a plug and play element. Connect straight on and tighten. Next we have the connector which connects to the LED panel. So LED panel comes with a female connector that connects straight in. Tighten that up. Once that's all installed, your installation is complete. The only last step you have to do is your LED indicator light and test switch, which are mounted in the ceiling adjacent to your emergified LED panel. Thanks for watching this video, and we look forward to servicing you with this awesome, easy to install product.